Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look that I'm wearing just now. I basically got this. This is going to be... It's going to be one of my normal sort of fast-paced tutorials. If you wanted to see something a little bit more in depth that is this style, then let me know in the comment section below and I can definitely do that. But unless it's a beginner video, it is just kind of easier to do them this way, and it's a little bit more fast-paced and it can give you the kind of general idea of how I've done something. I mean, this isn't difficult, but it can give you the idea of how to do it and you're not sitting watching an 18-minute video, you know, sort of thing. So I did a video, and I'll link it up here for you, where I did I follow a makeup tutorial trend thing, but I did it with a few different ones. So I did like my base makeup with one video, I did my eyebrows with another video, and then I did my eye look with another video. And the eye look happened to be following a Jamie Genevieve video, and she used this rust stack from Melt. And I think this is like the coolest thing ever. I wish all my palettes were in this form, but then some of them would be like this long. Anyway, I have wanted this for a while, and I've wanted to try Melt's stacks. Not in this one in particular, but this one is, it screams my name. But as I was doing that, I kind of said to myself, well, if I can find dupes for these shades, because that's what I was doing, then I won't get it. And I couldn't find anything that looked like it. I mean, there was some that looked like the shades, but then when it was on the eye, it was all very warm, it was all very orange, and they are kind of warm toned, but they're very brown, you know, like that one's actually kind of like a really nice mustardy colour, that one's a really deep chocolatey brown, and that one is just like the perfect sort of almost black, but not quite. It's like a really blacky brown. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and buy it. So I did. It was on offer from Beauty Bay, so I don't feel as bad, because these I think normally are around about 45 quid or something. They are a bit ridiculous, especially when you're only getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades in it. I think it is a little bit of a novelty, but when I got this and I tried it for the first time, I fell in love with these shadows. I love the colours, I love how they blend, I love how they work, so I am really glad that I got it. So I would actually definitely recommend it. You'll see in the tutorial how they apply, how they blend and everything like that anyway, but just know that as a review for this, I do really like the shades. So because this is sort of a mini review, I'll literally swatch. So that is all the swatches there. That is a really terrible swatch. It's straight on when I look at it, but then it goes all weird and round. But they swatch really well, they blend out really well, and they've got full pigment as well. So I mean, they are worth the money, and I would definitely buy them again. Even at the full price, I think it would take me a little bit longer, but now after trying them, I do definitely think that they are something that I'm going to reach for again and again. So I created this look just because, I don't know, I'm feeling these colours just now. I don't know, I really like how they look with my eye colour. I've seen a few of like the looks that I've done and stuff like that. A lot of people have complimented on my eye colour and stuff like that. So I can't, you know that way when you find something you like and you just can't stop doing it. And of course I had to showcase this, so yeah. Anyway, because I'm in the UK, you didn't used to be able to get Melt, or not very easily anyway. So Beauty Bay actually stock Melt cosmetics now. They don't stock everything, they stock a few things, and they don't necessarily get every new launch, because there is a blue stack coming out that looks beautiful. But I don't know if they'll get that on launch, because sometimes Beauty Bay get things on launch, sometimes they don't, which is a little bit of a pest. But to be honest, the money that you save on shipping and stuff like that, it totally makes it worth it. So if you want to check out this, I don't know if it's still on offer, it might be because we're still in January, or if you want to check out anything else they've got from Melt, I will leave a link in the description box below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So if you enjoy this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.